Hey guys, today we are going to learn about apps that make you money on your phone. That way you can just sit here and be bringing in some money. Why not, right? But first, do me a favor and subscribe, ring that bell. That way you don't miss any of the notifications that has to do with making money online, especially affiliate marketing. I think I have found the top 8 apps that make you money on your iPhone. That way you don't have to do any of the research. I've done it all. But hey, do me a favor. If you use something that you make money on your phone with, leave it in the comments and let me know. The first one is Clickworker Com. You can get paid doing what you want anywhere in the world. Clickworker is also looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data. How it works is you can sign up as a Clickworker for free of charge. You work independently, your schedule is flexible, and all you need is a computer and or mobile phone with internet access. You decide when and how much you want to work on a freelance basis. That's Clickworker.com. Number 2 is ysense.com. You just take surveys. Now, I don't think this is worldwide, but you still have a flexible schedule and it has a $5 threshold. So you don't have to get tons of money before you can get your money out. Number 3 is swap.com. So basically, you take your clothes and you sell them for consignment, so you get a percentage. And what's cool is I like these kind of sites because they do all the work for you. They do all of the selling. And you know, I read something this morning about an entrepreneur who was wanting to get into affiliate marketing and take a big course and everything. And the way that they did it was this, is they literally went and sold their stuff and their clothes online and got the money to get the course, and now they're successful. So these sites can really help out. Okay, number 4 is the Nielsen Mobile App. And don't shoot me if I said that wrong. Nielsen. Okay. Now, when I first was researching this, I was like, they're gonna get stuff and your own data off of your phone. No, that's not it. That's not it. And there's another one that's close to this one, but I liked this one better. And it says in fine print, your privacy and security is Nielsen's top priority. The app is easy to install, sends us anonymous data about how you use your devices, and is designed to have minimal impact on your device performance. Basically, it's not like going to kill your battery and data and stuff. Our app and software do not collect the content of visited websites, and we do not collect user IDs, passwords, and or other private information. So if you're someone that's always on porn sites and stuff like that, you're okay. It is only in selected countries though. Number 5 is Threadup Com. Now, you think this one might be number 8 because I love it so much, but it's awesome. Again, they do the work for you, and they help sell your stuff. And this one you can put more stuff on there than clothes, because I've bought from this before. I love this site. Oh, and also if you're worried about the whole shipping, you get free shipping labels too. This is a really good one, and like it's popular. It's used a lot. It's really recognized. So this is a good one. Throw it up. Okay, number 6 is Slicethepie.com. Now, by the way, just because I'm showing you sites, that just means that they are apps on your phone, but there's also sites as well too. This is really cool, especially if you're like me. And I'm usually listening to music all the time. So basically, you get paid to listen to music, okay? Slicethepie is the largest paid review site on the internet. You earn cash for every review you leave. Now, it does say your feedback on tracks, clothing, and lots more goes directly to help artists, record labels, and brands make decisions. So it does have some clothes, but it's mostly music. It helps come out with, the upcoming artists and everything, and, if they're actually really good or not. But you really do have to listen to the music. Slice the pie.
Yummy.
Okay, Number 7 is Taskrabbit.com. Yeah, I said rabbit. Okay, I chose this one because I showed you the other one where you can do it online and do a whole bunch of different tasks online. And this is actually like in your own neighborhood, in your own backyard, like delivery services, handyman stuff, mowing, there's all kinds of stuff, painting, plumbing, anything that you're really good at that you could do, gardening, and you can create your own hours, your own rate, everything. Delivery, shopping, office, cleaning, basically, baby prep, basically you name it. So that's why I found this site, and it pays pretty decent, so check it out. Before I get to number 8, do me a favor. If you've liked this video, give me a like. It helps me, it helps the algorithm. And if you've liked any of these and you're gonna try any of these apps, just put it down in the comments below and let me know. Also, this is a way where you can make money. I used the example where a person wanted to do a course and they used apps like this to make the money to do that course. So that's just an example. But if you are interested in making passive income the way that I do, then you're really going to want to check out the first link in the bio. I promise you're going to love it. Okay, let's get to number 8. 8 is Rakuten. I love this site. I've used this before. I had this on my phone. It is awesome. I actually, when I was researching all of this, I forgot about it and I used to use it, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to put this app back on my phone. So it's again, they do the work for you, but it's a little different. It's called, okay, stores pay Rakuten a commission for sending you their way. So you use these stores, okay, and then they share the commission with you as cash back through PayPal or a check. So I shop at Walmart a whole lot. So basically, you just go through here and shop at Walmart, and then you're going to do it anyways, and then you just get your money back. So it's really easy, and it's places that you're going to shop at anyways. There's even more that's on here, but I mean, I shop at Target, I shop at Lowe's, I even shop at PetSmart, you know, so it really can come in handy. And just keep it on your phone, and if there's times you're not thinking about it, then you might even be out shopping and be like, oh, hey, wait, I don't even need to go into the store. Boom. It's really simple to use, and the sign up is really easy. So that's why out of everything, I chose Rakuten, because I know it works, and it's pretty much it's just your shopping, which you're going to be doing anyways. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, tell me your favorite one that you liked of these in the comments. And if you would like to see a free affiliate marketing course, I created one. I'm going to put it right up here. Just click on that, and I will see you on the next video.